So guys, today the objective is to try the new helmet setup. Just got the racks there with the mic adapter, and then the microphone just comes through the back and then below, and I attach it to the front here, as you can see. This is the System 7 BMW helmet. So let's see if we can get some of the sound from the engine. So guys, this is actually my second attempt. The first one, every time I pressed the gas, I had a lot of clicks and the sound was unbearable, which is a shame, because I did a very nice ride. I got home, I downloaded the videos, and well, what a mess. So I changed the setting of the GoPro. I changed it to the first option. I had it on the first try, I had it on the boost 20 decibels, and now I just placed it on the first one. Let's see. I hope this sounds better. Just use the quick shifter. Great invention. Oh, that's fun to ride the GS. Getting out on Estoril. This is the toll, 28 cents for 2 Ks. Well, it's not cheap. Today is Sunday, and it's a day where a lot of riders on the street. And since it's weekend, they all wave, and it's really nice when bikers wave to each other. And what's fun is that, I'll hold that thought. This is Cascais and Estoril, so if you ever come to Estoril and you want to gamble, that's the place to do it. There's also a disco right around there, and well, this is the entrance of Casino. We're just gonna take the seaside road to Cascais, which is like 5 minutes, not even that much. This is the Cascais Estoril garden. It's very nice. And I was saying, if you ride a bike, traffic is not an issue. If you work in Lisbon, as almost everybody does. What was I saying? Well, when commuting, nobody waves. I don't know, people are just pissed they have to go and work. Oh, nice bay. So they don't wave. And then you get on the bike during the weekend and everybody's waving at everybody. It's nice, beautiful. I live here for 44 years, all my life, and it still takes my breath away. I always feel a privilege for living in such a beautiful place. People that have to spend a lot of money to come here, well, I just live here. The sound of the GS is really nice. It has always been my dream bike. So this is Cascais Center, Mini, and it's a very nice place. It started out more like a fishing town, fishing village. Now it's very touristic. but still very nice. So it's red and you have a child. Well, you're crossing the road. So this is the bay, Cascais Bay. I don't know if you can see all the fishing boats. There are a lot of fishing boats in there. People still live. This is the town hall or something like that, where the president lives, stays, not lives. Not the president of the country, of course. This is the... It's very nice. Look at the view. Lisbon is way over there. And there is a beautiful road. This road that we did goes from Cascais until Lisbon. One of these days I'll bring you. I'll record it because it's really worth. There's a beautiful sightseeing. Very nice lighthouse here, and then there's another one further down the road. And of course it's a great place to run. That's my other hobby, running. Take the helmet off and hear a bit of the recording just to check it. Well, things do look promising. Of course I'm hearing it on the GoPro in the middle of the road, so it's hard to notice if there's clicks, right? But it does look promising. So let's move on. Let me do a test with the visor open. And now closed. So this road is spectacular. If I'm not careful, I'll be without my license very quickly in this bike. 70 and I'm doing 100. Okay, let's just slow it down a bit. But well, it's fun. Yeah. You go, you run. Oh, look at the waves, guys. Okay. Go. Nice. The GS just has all this fog. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful. Bit windy. This is a very windy road. And up ahead is the lighthouse I was talking to you about. It's very nice. Gives it adds to the sight, no? To the landscape. Look at that wave. Nice. Oh, way up there, it's the Cap de Roca, the most western tip of continental Europe. Oh. Closed. Oh, look at those waves, guys. This is like one of the best beaches in the world for windsurfing and kite surfing. So, if you're into that, well, Guincho, Guyncho, yeah. Hey. Look at this view. Look at this landscape. It's okay. Just this this summer there was a massive wildfire here. And you can see that the landscape is all burned, giving an eerie look. And look right straight ahead. But just take a look at this beach, guys. Now imagine yourselves in the summer here. It's nice. So shall we take the scenic road? Yeah, I think so. I'm doing exactly the same way that I did in the morning. Okay. Just So, if this setup works, just remember, it's the first external mic option. Do not go for the plus one. And just place it on wind. I'm shooting at 2.7K and 60 frames per second. And on the mic, on the sound option, mic option, something like that, I chose, I chose wind. And if it doesn't work, I'll be very disappointed. This is fun. So, this is Malveira. Cabo da Roca is that way, but I'm going home and we'll be climbing these hills, Serra de Sintra. It's a beautiful landscape also, and I'll try and show you the road we've taken from up there. So it has a very beautiful view. And for the Portuguese, well, why am I Portuguese speaking English? Well, it's a pretty much universal language, and well, I could do all this in Portuguese, and it's my native, and it would be much easier, and I probably wouldn't be making a lot of errors, grammar errors, and insults to English language. But my objective here is really to show a bit of my country, and I'm guessing most of the Portuguese know their country. So, and I think most of the Portuguese know English. So
know, it's more universal. Of course I have like 10 views or 20 views, it doesn't matter. It's mostly family. But if by any chance somebody outside of Portugal is watching, well, you can see how beautiful my country is, especially my hometown. This road is very nice also. I'm not the greatest driver in the world, so I tend to be a bit on the conservative side. Because there are guys that do this at full speed ahead, and it's quite impressive, but I tend to love myself more than the adrenaline rush that it might give me. This speed is adrenaline enough. Sometimes I come running here also, and I want to get some hills on my legs. Really feel one with the nature. Still wet. Yesterday it was raining all afternoon and through the night, and this is a very humid place. Oh, this quick shifter is lots of fun to downshift, also upshifting, but the downshift is amazing. The bike revs when you downshift. Just let's go. Another car. It's like mushrooms here. And go. So that's pretty much it. I sincerely hope that this that the sound is acceptable. I hope that you have enjoyed the video. One final notice is there's here a beautiful lagoon on the left side, and it's Blue Lagoon. This one doesn't come with brook shields, unfortunately, but it's a very nice lagoon over there. I'm almost home, so guys, just ride safe and catch you later.